Once I'm done editing my video, I can either download it or share it via a different platform. So I'm going to click on download, and it'll prepare a video link for me, which I can use as an MP4 file. So it's preparing the video, and this process does take some time because video takes a bit of time to process. But everything is done in clouds in Adobe's server, so it is much faster, as you can see right here. So it is preparing my video for download so that I can download it onto my computer. So you can see that now it is giving me an option to download. This is an MP4 file, so I can save this out. I can press OK, and you can see that it has been downloaded as an MP4 file right here. So I can click on this, and it opens up TutorTube lessons at your convenience as an MP4 file. So I can use this video and share it out. Another way to share your work is to click on share button itself, and over here there's publishing option. So I can click on publish, and over here what you can do is you can go back onto publishing options. So this is publishing settings. So this gives me a shareable link, as you can see right here. I can copy this and paste it onto my browser. If you share this link, anyone can access it. So you can see that this is the test page I have. This is created by me, and the video is there. So I'm gonna go back and change the publishing settings. So I can either publish this in my Facebook feed, my Twitter account, even Google Classroom if you're using this for your education. You can email the link as well. You can also embed the video onto an existing HTML page if you are a web developer and want to embed this as a part of your overall website. So another option to edit the shareable link is to go into publish options right here, and here's this. So TutorTube, just like this, and over here you can select education, just like this. I'm going to say lessons at your convenience, and over here author TutorTube, just like this. So I can get notified as well. So I'm going to press save and update link. So it is updating the information onto the link, and once I share that, it'll actually change everything out. So I can copy this, I can go over here, I'm going to paste and refresh the image, and I can see that everything else has changed. So I got TutorTube lessons at your convenience, created by TutorTube, and so forth. So that is how you can export and publish videos by using Spark Video. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.